G'day guys, today we're stepping into the world of dairy yard rubber matting, a revolutionary addition to the dairy industry, decreasing yard lameness by up to 95% and increasing average milk production up to 9%. But what can go wrong with it, and how do we avoid these pitfalls? Rubber matting, while reducing injuries and boosting productivity, can present challenges during selection and installation. Let's have a look at some potential issues and preventative measures. Firstly, the problem of cold weather installation. Rubber contracts in the cold and expands in the heat. Installing mats in cold temperatures might lead to expansion when it warms up, causing uneven surfaces and tripping hazards. To avoid any issues, try to install your mats during moderate weather or in the warmer parts of the day. Allow them to adjust to the average yard temperature before laying them down to prevent uneven surfaces later on. Secondly, the downside of cheap mats. While saving some money up front, cheaper mats might not interlock well, especially after a season of use, leading to gaps and faster wear, resulting in replacements far sooner than you'd like. Quality should be a priority. Going down the route of durable, well-designed and proven mats might be slightly costlier up front, but you'll be actually making an investment, saving money in the long run and seeing returns for many years. The good news is, there's not a huge gap between low-priced and high-priced mats on the market. Learn more about that by watching our yard rubber matting cost video. Thirdly, improper anchoring. If mats aren't anchored properly, they can move and separate at the interlocking edges, compromising safety and reducing mat lifespan. Ensure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines closely, or use Numat's professional installation services to ensure that the mats are anchored securely. Fourth, using the wrong matting type. Some mats, like rolled rubber matting, can experience problems such as the edgings folding up over time, creating tripping hazards. Choose matting designed for dairy yards. Interlocking, puzzle-style mats like Kura, which lie flat, provide excellent traction and offer the best durability. Next, choosing the wrong grip pattern. The grip pattern is crucial for maintaining a safe yard. The wrong pattern, or no grip at all, could turn your yard into a skating rink for your cows. Choose a mat with a grip pattern that offers adequate traction, especially in wet conditions, without being too deep to harbour bacteria or hinder cleaning. Next, incorrect placement around drains. If mats are not fitted properly around drains, they can create gaps which can snag the wheel of a backing gate. Custom cut or professionally installed mats should fit snug around your drains perfectly, ensuring a smooth and continuous surface, preventing operational snags and improving overall safety. Lastly, the danger of damaging underground utilities. If utilities like water and power lines run under your concrete surface, you could accidentally damage them when installing anchors for the mats. Be aware of where all underground utilities are located and place your mats so that the anchors won't interfere with power and water lines. With the right knowledge and planning, installing dairy yard rubber matting can be an investment that pays itself off in no time but lasts a lifetime. Create a safe and comfortable environment for your cows while increasing productivity and boosting the success of your farm. For more information, visit numatagri.co.nz.